Mga mix.
You're so pretty talaga. Are you sure?
Ano dalawa yung live nyo? Ano, kaya pa
Thank
ba?
you, thank you.
Oh my God.
Mag-hi ka sa live!
Who is this?
This is Marcos.
Oh,
Hello
yeah.
po, my name is Marcos. Hello po.
Meow, meow.
Tumiyak ka ulit?
Andyan.
Siya tumiyak ka ulit?
Si ano rin eh. Si Erin din eh.
Ay, wala.
No.
Ay, hello! Live pala to, no?
Marcos asked me a question and I'll try my best to answer it.
What time do you usually sleep?
What time do you usually sleep?
Wait lang. Paano ba mag-mute? Wait lang.
One of you has to mute and like put down the volume.
Kapag naman kayo, Jess.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Oh my.
Paano yung mute?
Ano?
Ayun, eto.
You look cute like Atisa Manalo. Thank you so much. That is actually so sweet. Ate, do you
Marcos, nag-gym ka ba? Hindi na po ako nag-gym. Dati lang. Kaya ngayon tinabad na.
What happened? What happened, Bella?
What happened, Vela? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right?
Vampire will feed to me. Oh, yun! It's good! Ayoko. Yeah. Hold on. Tatawa ka mo. Yeah, really.
Yan, mas.
Yes, galing. Yes, galing.
Ask me a question na. Because I'm gonna try my best talaga to.
Hey guys, you ask Gay a question guys sa comment section.
Ask.
Yeah. Question.
Ask guys, okay. Gaya muna, tapos next si Esther, tapos next si Marta. Angas.
Dream country and why?
Ay, ang bab.
Dapat malalim daw.
Dapat malalim. Okay.
Ay, gusto niyo malalim?
Sorry naman
How
kasi.
deep is the ocean in the...
How deep is Bermuda Triangle?
We have only discovered 1% of the entire ocean. 99% of the ocean has not been explored yet. And can you imagine, we're already on our
If you were to be an
25th
anime
year.
character.
We're on our 25th year. We still don't know what's going on there. Maybe I don't know. I don't want to know.
Nasa 20%
I'm
pa
scared.
lang ang field ang discover ng Hindi, honestly, compared sa na-discover natin in space, marami pa na-discover.
Yes, true. Ako naniniwala ako, marami pa talagang mga features dun sa baba, di lang natin na-discover.
Yeah, honestly, ando dun yung pinapagawa kong bahay. Hindi ko siya tapos.
Oh my god!
Meron pala, sige, dun tayo mag-hangout next time.
You should share to us yung bahay mo. Grabe yun.
Does he watch anime?
He does.
I love anime guys. Pero yung mga mainstream anime lang. Mga Haikyuu.
Eren?
Yay!
Ano yan? Ano yan? Never again. Never again. I'm taking care of you guys. Accent. Okay. Yeah, Marcos, pasabi, hi, Jana.
Hello, Jana.
Hi, Jenny.
Like Jenny. Guys, ask kayo ng question sa kanila guys. Kahit sino sa kanila. Kasi,
Ito.
masaya.
What if kaya kong maging dalawa?
Grabe si Marco. Lumilitaw sa dalawa.
Do you miss someone? Ay, pare, sakto.
Do you miss someone?
Pwede na tayo mag-green
Si Marcos. Ask Marcos.
Marcos.
Do you miss someone?
Who is your multo?
Who is it and why?
Syempre may namimiss ako. May multo din ako, guys. Yan.
Ito namin marinig.
Hindi niya pa pwede malaman yan kasi syempre sensitive topic. Ay! Grabe yung sensitive topic. Diba? Sabi.
Private.
Ikaw, gaya.
Malaki na daw si Nathaniel. Yes, guys, lumaki na si Nathaniel. Si Nathaniel! Lumaki na si Nathaniel.
Ako? Ay, ikaw lang. Give me someone. Who is it and why?
Grabe mo, is it and why?
Wag to.
Na-expose na talaga.
Do I miss someone and why? First of all,
Find your answer.
you're pressuring. My mom is watching, so I do not want to say it.
Hello, Bodita. Grabe, ginamit yung mom
Parang
card.
pag Miss Universe, tapos tinanong siya ng ganun.
pwede.
Bawal sagutin yun.
It's normal. It's normal to miss someone.
Oh, so sino?
And why?
Uy.
It's normal to miss someone.
Ano yung biggest pet peeve nyo?
What's your? Who wants to answer? Biggest.
Esther.
Maingay kumain.
Oh,
Hindi
totoo.
maingay kumain. Valid.
Pet peeve.
Pet peeve
Saan yung
ko,
mic?
Naso.
Shih Tzu. Ay, sorry.
Iba ata yun.
Honestly, pet peeve ko yung let's say, nang left out.
Yeah. True. Ako pet peeve ko yung
Hi,
ang go-ghost. Pet peeve ko ang go-ghost. Ang go-ghost.
Oh,
Yung tipo yung chat mo sila tapos biglang mawawala.
Siguro to si Marcos. Ay, ikaw ba yung nag-ghost? Ay, ikaw ba yung may pet peeve na nag-ghost?
Hindi ako. Ikaw, Gia, anong pet peeve mo?
my pet peeve is. Sorry. Let us move. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. Where do we move? Hold on. Okay. Sorry. So my biggest pet peeve. What is a good pet peeve? Even though I don't. My biggest pet peeve is someone who doesn't know how to like care. It may be for like a person, for like anything, but like just something in general. Who doesn't like care? Wala lang siyang ano, bakit?
Busy pa kayo? Ba kailangan nyo nang mag-ano?
What?
Kailangan nyo na bang...
No. Not yet. I'm just gonna
Marcus, do you miss Iloilo? Yes. I miss Iloilo. It's been so long actually. Rather than to go.
You're going? Ano ba? Then you just stay here na lang. Kasi you don't have anyone to talk to there.
Mag-artista ka na lang, Mar. Pwede naman, guys. Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. Diba, at least you've already been experiencing the field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was my magic before.
Yeah, you've already done that before. It's okay.
Happy birthday, James Calzado. Good night, Sam.
Sige ba? Blocking? Sorry.
Oh, wait. Kami na po? Okay, wait.
Talaga.
Okay ba? We'll do blocking.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna end my live soon, bro.
Mamaya na lang. Bye. I look sunburned.
Good luck, bro. Good luck.
Thank you. We got this.
Yeah. PM pa daw talaga sila matatapos. So
Yeah.
we cannot wait for them, guys.
Okay, let's end that live. Thank you guys so much for watching this nonsense live. And I hope this happens again soon. Peace out. Hi, Nix. Oh my god, why are you guys just popping up now? You guys should have came earlier so you guys could have gotten the chance to talk or something. Ano po bang movie nyo? No spoilers.
Wow.
Sige, let's go na.
Go na, go na.
Marcos, I'm gonna go na.
Good luck, bro. Good luck.
Ano gagawin?
Blocking.
Bakit may 100 sa galing?
Ay, Marcos. Ay, Marco.
Kaya mo ba si Mark?
Wala talaga ako dyan.
Aww, sana Marcos was
Ikaw pala ako. Go, 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 go.
okay po. Okay. Marcos, I'm gonna go now for real.
Okay, bro. Good luck, bro.
Nakita mo na nag-share. So this is what happens. Ay, wait. A little bit of a vlog. A little bit of a vlog.
Wow, guys, dinadala niya talaga tayo sa labas. Wow, this is...
Yes, we're gonna like bring you.
Pwede ba yan? Di ba
I will
nililito?
analyze and then in a little bit. Sige, I'll lower the volume down. The moon is so nice. I do not see the moon.
Baby, baby, you're my sun and moon.
Hello po.
Okay na, Marco. Pa-party na tayo.
Let's party, Marco.
Invite you.
So like this is a little bit of a behind the scenes. Only you guys get to sneak peek. Hello po. I thank you.
Good luck sa studies, Ika. Ay, nawala na siya, guys. Bye, Jessan.
Just a little bit of sad.
Wow, she's really leaking this, guys.
Where you guys can see more of it now. So, you know, I might have to end the live here now. Marcos, I'm gonna go. Wait, why are you mugging?
No, relax. AM, tapos,
Say
ba?
hi to my mom, Marcos.
Hello. Tita.
My mom is here. Okay. Sige, I'm gonna go na, Marcos.
3 AM tapos.
Guys, goodbye. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed live with my friends for a bit. That was really nice. Hoping to like go live with them again, like with some of my friends again, also, because that's really cool, bro. Guys, I'm telling you, guys, marami nakikita mga Marco comments, bro. Guys, Marco is so chill. Like, I remember like last month, nag-basketball kami, and like that was like first time namin magkita after like so long, and like I went up to him like nung kakarating nila, sabi ko, yo Marco, sabi niya agad, yo Marcos, like kumusta na, ganyan. Dude, like ang chill niya lang, and like natatandaan niya ako after such a long time, and then after that nag-TikTok kami, and then yun, diba, amazing. It's really cool, bro. COD ka, kahit dahil nga nagko-COD kanina si Marco, parang gusto ko na yun mag-COD. Pero, ayan, nagda-download na siya, guys. So, ayan. Hello, Rain. Marcus, tulog na. Tulog na maya. Very soon. I will. Kailan, babalik pa ba kayo sa Korea? Right now, no plan so far on going back to Korea kasi we're like promoting ngayon like solely on, tama ba yan, solely? Oh wow, this is cute. We're just like focusing talaga sa Philippines. That's the, guys, the 3 days event. Let me just clear it up. 2 days lang pala yung event. Di pala siya 3 days. Sorry. That's my bad. That's my wrong. But yeah. Where is Jiro? Di ko alam eh. Feel ko tulog na yun. Or baka wala. saan yung 2 days, I cannot tell you guys yet kasi hindi pa siya na-announce. Pero, basta hindi siya sa Luzon. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Hindi siya sa Pinas. Joke lang. Wala siya sa Luzon. How are you? I'm good, guys. I was having a really good day today. And I want to go live. I lost my voice yesterday. Kahapon ba yan nung pumunta ka sa gig Castaway? Kaya sino pumunta kahapon, kagabi? Bacolod. I don't know, baka sa Bacolod. Cebu, baka sa Cebu. We're not sure. Sino mga pumuntang Castaway? You won? Thank you for coming, Yuan. Asa harap? Wow. Absent. Okay, guys. Anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, late na. Kailangan na din matulog. Diba? Tulog tayo mga 12:40. Ano bang pwedeng gawin? Relapse? Guys, ayoko na mag-relapse. Huwag na talaga mag-relapse. Laro? Castaway TMI? Castaway TMI... nga ba ang Castaway TMI ko? Castaway TMI... Ano ba nangyari kahapon? Oh, umulan, guys! Alam ko na. So, Castaway TMI, matagal kasi yung waiting time namin sa waiting room. So, sabi ko sa manager, pwede po ba akong bumili ng milk tea? Kasi wala na, na-bored na. Ready na kami, naka-makeup na kami, naka-hair. Sabi ko, pwede po ba akong pumunta sa milk tea? Syempre, may mga tao doon. So sabi niya, sure ka, ganyan. Pwede naman bilan na namin. Sabi ko, nahihidin po kasi ako. Kaya yun, pumunta na talaga ako. Di yun, pumunta kami. Tapos, bumili ng milk tea. Nung pabalik na, biglang umulan. Tapos lahat ng mga tao, like everyone who were like already waiting sa venue, they all like rushed out and then they went back indoors. And then the guards who were with me, they were like, they like took out their walkie-talkie. They were like, we need umbrella. So they got an umbrella, and it was like a really small umbrella. So and then they just used it, and then I went there. Pinabasa ako pa din actually, pero at least the umbrella helped a lot. Shout out sa mga kuya guards. How do you feel you are a saint now? Guys, nakita ko nga yung the edit on Twitter, like the AI edit of me like as a saint. I was speechless. Like I didn't expect that you guys can do such things, but that's really cool, guys. Whoever did that, wow, I am shocked in a good way. Parang si Jungkook, really. Thank you. Jungkook is my idol, guys. He is my role model. Pero yun. Wow, ang bilis. Di ko siya I really can't like read. Wow, ang hirap. Wow. Kaninang picnic yung nahulog? That was Kuya Kyler's picnic. You know, Wahafen, Marcus. Wahafen! Guys, alam ko na guys. Wala lang, joke lang pala. Tell us about when you met Yedam Sambenim. So, guys, as you know, Bang Yedam Sambenim is one of the mentors Be The Next. And we did a guesting there for like performance. And I got to meet Bang Yedam Sambenim backstage, and also EXO Chen Sambenim backstage. And I got to take a photo with the one and only Bang Yedam. And it's just so nice kasi he's super kind. He was so chill. And actually, nung una, as a group lang kami nagpicture. Nung pagkatapos dun, sabi ni Kuya Kyler sa akin, Marcus, tara magpa-picture tayo. Like, kahit like yung solo naman. Sabi ko, oh sige, ikaw, sabihin mo sa kanya. Sabi niya, hindi, ikaw magsabi. Yun, sabi ko, 안녕하세요, 혹시 사진 찍어도 될까요? And then, sabi ko, like, pwede po bang magpa-picture? Tapos, sabi niya, okay naman, pwede naman. Nagtagalog siya, joke lang. Sabi niya, okay lang naman, tapos ganun. And then, yun. And then, nakapag-pick na kami. And then, this is the pick. Diba? Diba? Ang galing. So, yun. He's really nice. He's really kind. Biceps check? I don't know, bro. Bahal pa. Suggest a song. I really like right now. I really like. Wow, I'm having mental block. This is what happens pagka 12 a.m. Alden post. Don't take a screenshot of that. Whew. What's your height now? I'm 5'8", guys. Ang hirap na pagka walang pa-music sa background. Suggest movie? What's a good movie nga ba? Knives Out. Watch Knives Out, please. Pero yun guys, I'm gonna end the live na din kasi late na. I'm actually surprised na nanonood kayo ng ganitong oras. Like wow, thank you po. Pero yes guys, I will let you sleep na kasi 12 a.m. na talaga guys. Kailangan natin matulog. Hopefully you guys sleep well and rest well then. And yeah, I love you guys. Kain lagi kayo. And yeah. Thank you so much for joining the live. Bye bye guys.